Hi everyone, welcome to Avicha. In this video, we are going to share some current affairs and recent happenings in India from 25th of April to 30th of April. Our President, Vice President, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah have greeted everyone on the occasion of Mahavir Jayanti.
Mahavir Jayanti is considered to be one of the most auspicious events for the Jain community and holds a lot of importance in their religious life.
Do you know the news about Exercise Varuna 2021?
Yes, between 25th and 27th April 2021, the 19th edition of the Indian and French Navy bilateral exercise Varuna 2021 is going to be conducted in the Arabian Sea. Dedicated help desk by CBIC for handholding trade, industry and individuals to expedite custom clearance of imports related to COVID, including oxygen and oxygen-related equipments, etc. Can you tell me what is CBIC?
Yes, it is Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs.
Correct. As part of the Indian Army's sustained initiative to secure a better future for Ladakhi youth, the Leh-based Corps of Indian Army signed an MoU with corporate partner HPCL and NIDO at Leh on 26 April 2021. Can you tell me what is HPCL and NIDO?
Yes, it is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited and National Integrity and Educational Development Organization.
Correct. Do you know the news about the single crystal blade developed by DRDO?
Yes, Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has developed single crystal blades technology and supplies 60 of these blades to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited as part of their indigenous helicopter development program for helicopter engine application.
Correct.
Next, we are going to talk about liquid medical oxygen supplied by steel plants.
3,131 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen supplied by steel plants. Steel plants willing to dip into their safety stock to make available more LMO. Nitrogen and argon tankers are being converted to carry oxygen.
The first Oxygen Express arrives in Mumbai. Ro-Ro service with 3 oxygen tankers reached Kalamboli in Maharashtra on 26th of April.
A Ro-Ro service carrying 3 tankers loaded with liquid medical oxygen left Hapa in Gujarat on 25th April 2021 at 18:03 hours and reached Kalamboli in Maharashtra at 11:25 am on 26th April 2021. Project Dantak completes 60 years in Bhutan. Can you tell me what is Project Dantak?
Yes, Project Dantak was established on April 24, 1961 as a result of the visionary leadership of His Majesty the Third King and then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct. Do you know, amid growing demands of medical supplies, UK provides critical medical supplies to India.
Yes, I also know the External Affairs Ministry on 27th of April informed that a shipment of vital medical supplies from the United Kingdom, including 100 ventilators and 95 oxygen concentrators, arrived early this morning. The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said Delhi government has given the approval for the purchase of 1 crore 34 lakh doses of vaccines.
Yes, Odisha's Chief Minister Navin Patnaik said that the state government will incur an expenditure of 2,000 crore rupees to meet the goal. The next news is the Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri on 26 April said that Air India has brought 318 oxygen concentrators to India on its New York-Delhi flight.
Dr. V.R. Sirsat said CSIR, CMERI, indigenously developed oxygen enrichment technology be effective for treating COVID-19 patients. But what is CSIR and CMERI?
CSIR is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and CMERI is Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. Next we are going to talk about the Oscar Awards.
Why are you getting so excited? You are not getting the Oscar award.
Who knows? One day I might direct a movie which will get an Oscar.
What is that?
That's called a positive mind.
I think there's too much positivity in this room.
Okay, I think we should read the news. Experience over 9 decades of the Oscars from 1927 to 2021. Actor in a leading role winner, Anthony Hopkins in the movie The Father. Actor in a supporting role winner, Daniel Kaluuya, Judas and the Black Messiah. Actress in a leading role winner, Frances McDormand in the movie Nomadland. An actress in a supporting role winner, Yoo Jung-yeon in the movie Minari. And the Best Picture winner is Nomadland.
Oh, here's some other Oscar news. Animated feature film winner,
Soul, Pete Docter and Dana Murray.
international feature film winner,
Another Round, Denmark.
short film animated winner,
If Anything Happens, I Love You. Will McCormack and Michael Govier.
short film live action winner,
Two Distant Strangers, Traven Free and Martin Desmond Rowe.
documentary feature winner,
My Octopus Teacher. Pippa Ehrlich, James Reed and Craig Foster.
documentary short subject winner,
Colette, Anthony Giacchino and Alice Doyard.
and the directing winner,
Nomadland, Chloe Zhao.
What is the next news?
It is about solar dryer and pyrolysis pilot plant will help smart cities transform urban organic waste into biochar and energy.
Okay. Have you heard the news about the hospital facilities at Delhi cantonment?
Yes, the Indian Army has created a number of COVID facilities on a war footing in order to provide extensive medical assistance to veterans and their dependents at a number of places. Did you know Agriculture Infrastructure Fund is bringing together the collective power of all stakeholders in the agriculture ecosystem?
Yes. Agriculture Infrastructure Fund applications cross the rupees 8,000 crore mark. Sanctions cross rupees 4,000 crore mark.
Yes.
Did you know an earthquake hit Assam?
Yes, it was an earthquake of a magnitude with 6.4. It occurred in Sonitpur, Assam, with an epicenter at 26.690 degrees north and 92.360 degrees east. It affected many cities like Golaghat, Jorhat, Guwahati, etc. It also affected countries internationally like Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan, and China. Next, we are going to talk about the DRDO setting up 500 medical oxygen plants within 3 months under PM CARES Fund.
Also, the oxygen plant is designed for capacity of 1,000 liters per minute LPM.
Cabinet approves agreement between the Government of India and the Government of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland on customs cooperation and mutual administrative assistance in customs matters. Can you tell me something about the Prime Minister of United Kingdom?
Yes, Alexander Boris Johnson is a British politician and writer serving as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom and leader of the Conservative Party since July 2019.
Correct. Srimati Justice Vimla Singh Kapoor appointed to be judge of the Chhattisgarh High Court on 28th April.
The next news is about Python 5 air-to-air missile.
Yes, Tejas, India's indigenous light combat aircraft, added the fifth generation Python 5 air-to-air missile AAM in its air-to-air weapons capability on April 27, 2021.
Have you heard that Indian astronomers provide clues to the explosion mechanism of supernova that are key measures of cosmological distances?
Yes, the study by Anirban Datta, PhD student at Indian Institute of Astrophysics, will help in understanding the diversity as a function of the progenitor as well as its properties and the explosion mechanism of such supernova.
1 lakh portable oxygen concentrators to be procured from PM CARES Fund.
Next, we are going to talk about Mizoram. Mizoram presents annual action plan under Jal Jeevan Mission. State plans 100% saturation to become Har Ghar Jal state by 2020 to 23.
I know the CM of Mizoram. He is Zoramthanga.
Correct. And the governor?
P.H. Sridharan Pillai.
Yes. And the capital?
Aizawl.
Excellent.
Do you know any news about NTIPRIT?
Yes. The National Telecommunications Institute for Policy Research, Innovation and Training, the APEX Training Institute of Department of Telecommunications, Government of India conducted a webinar on April 28, 2021 on the topic NAV-IC Opportunities for the Telecom Industry in collaboration with ISRO and Telecom Industry. Indian Coast Guard locates missing fishing boat Mercedes at high seas.
Railways make 4,000 COVID care coaches with almost 64,000 beds ready for use by states.
IAS officer T.V. Somanathan, who is serving as Secretary, Department of Expenditure in the Finance Ministry, has been designated as the Finance Secretary.
Do you know the news about IIT Bombay?
Yes, IIT Bombay shows how to solve oxygen shortage by converting nitrogen generator into oxygen generator. Another Jal Jeevan news. Assam presents its annual action plan for 21 to 22. State to provide 20.63 lakh tap connections in 2021 to 22. Can you tell me the Chief Minister of Assam?
Yes, Sarbananda Sonowal.
Correct. And the Governor?
Jagdish Mukhi.
Wow. And the capital?
Dispur.
Perfect.
This is the same news, but just this time it's of Puducherry.
Yes, Puducherry presents annual action plan to achieve Har Ghar Jal under Jal Jeevan Mission. UT plans 100% saturation by September 2021. Can you tell me something about Puducherry?
Yes, Puducherry, also known as Pondicherry, is a union territory of India. It was formed out of 4 territories of former French India, namely Pondicherry, Karikal, Mahe, and Yanao, excluding Chandanagar. It is named after the largest district, Puducherry.
Yes. And can you tell me the governor of Puducherry?
Yes, Tamilisai Soundararajan.
Correct. Can you tell me the news about the relief shipments arrived from US?
Yes, the first of several emergency COVID-19 relief shipments from the US arrived on 30th April morning in New Delhi. More such flights are expected in the next week.
Yes.
Now we are going to share a few international news. Special cargo for medical aid of 157 ventilators, 480 BiPAPs, and other medical supplies arrived from UAE to India on 29th of April.
Covaxin, India's homegrown COVID-19 vaccine, has been found to neutralize double mutant or 617 variant of the coronavirus. This was stated by White House Chief Medical Advisor and America's top pandemic expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci.
The European Parliament has ratified the post-Brexit European Union United Kingdom trade deal, a key move to ensure that tariff and quota-free trade continues.
UK becomes first country to announce regulation of use of self-driving vehicles at slow speeds on motorways.
Secretary East, the Ministry of External Affairs, Riva Ganguly Das, on 28th of April, co-chaired the 23rd ASEAN-India Senior Officials Meeting with the Permanent Secretary of Thailand, Thani Thongpakdi.
Russia orders expulsion of 7 diplomats from Slovakia, Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia in retaliation for expulsion of Russian envoys.
US President Joe Biden proposes sweeping new USD 1.8 trillion plan in his speech to joint session of Congress.
Now we are going to share a few sports news. IPL 2021. Delhi Capitals beat Kolkata Knight Riders by 7 wickets.
Athletes to be tested daily for COVID-19 at Tokyo 2020 Olympics.
NCA decides to defer Mumbai T20 League until further notice in view of second wave of COVID pandemic.
In the Archery World Cup, Indian women's recurve team, including Deepika Kumari, Ankita Bhakat, and Komalika Bari, won a gold medal in Guatemala on 25th of April. Indian trio shot 27 to edge out their Mexican rivals by 1 point and claimed their first World Cup team gold after 7 years. Thank you for watching our video.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends.